Why come into the dealership for service when we can bring the dealership to you? Our BMW mobile service program makes it so select maintenance, repair, or recall work can be done anywhere that's convenient to you. Our certified BMW technician will come to your home or office in a specially outfitted service vehicle and will complete the work on your BMW in a timely fashion. To schedule mobile service, simply create an appointment with our mobile service team and coordinate a day and time you will be able to make your vehicle available for service. Our schedule is location-based, and we'll be happy to work with you to create an appointment on a day when we are servicing your area. For your service, our technician will need easy access to your vehicle and at least 3 feet of surrounding space in which they can work. Once our technician arrives, just sign the repair order and let us take care of the rest. If you would like, the technician can also perform a brief multi-point inspection to give you a better idea as to the status of your vehicle. During this inspection, the technician will perform a walk-around and check for worn maintenance items, leaks, and select other concerns. To learn more about our mobile service program or to schedule an appointment, please give our service department a call at 253-922-9330 or visit our mobile service page at bmwnorthwest.com.